can configure the analyzer via NFC even when the device is switched off. Activate the NFC function in the settings of your smartphone and place it on top of the device. If you don't already have the LOVATO NFC app installed, you will be prompted to download it free from the Google Play Store or App Store, depending on your device's operating system. After downloading the app and updating the drivers, place the smartphone back on the analyzer. The app will automatically recognize the device, and you can start configuring it. On iOS, press the NFC button to enable NFC. Press to configure some typical functions. Enter the M01 General menu. Select the P01.01 primary TA parameter. Enter the desired value, in this case 100 amperes, and press OK. When you have completed the setting, press Send at the bottom of the page. Place your smartphone on the device like this and wait for the confirmation message. That's it.